In our last series of lectures, we tried to look at the process of state building. How were states trying to develop, trying to centralize, and along many different lines, from the absolutism of France to the constitutionalism of England. But part and parcel of that process was the expansion and growth overseas. And so what we're going to look at in this series of lectures are the changes that come from these new states. First, we're going to begin by looking at the global economy of the 18th century. We talked already about some global effects in talking about the Dutch Republic, but try and trace this more broadly. Secondly, we'll look at Europe itself. How is Europe changing in the period after Louis XIV's wars? Europe after the Peace of Utrecht, which ends the last of Louis's wars. And lastly, we'll try and look at a broader movement. What are the demographic changes in Western civilization in the 18th century? How is demography starting to change in Europe and elsewhere during this century, brought about by some of the changes in state centralization and global economic change?